How to zoom in on your Gmail app. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily zoom in or out on your Gmail app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is obviously open up your Gmail, and if there is a specific mail that you want to see, or if there are some things that are not visible or that are tiny and you want to zoom in, there are quite a few options. So the first one is you can zoom in from your browser. For that, you can just tap on the three lines at the top right and simply press on this plus icon as much as you want, and it will zoom in on your app like this. And if you want to zoom out, you can do the same thing. There is other option that you can do by using your keyboard. So let me just show you. If I just pop up my on-screen keyboard here, I'm able to show you. So the keyboard shortcut that you're going to use is Control. And once you press Control, you can press plus like this together. So if you press Control plus plus, and it will start zooming in. And if you press minus, it will start zooming out. Make sure you hold the control all the time. And other thing you can do is press Control, and if you're using a mouse, you can zoom in by scrolling the wheel up and zoom out by scrolling the wheel down. And if you want to enter the full screen mode, what you can do is press function right here and then press F11, which is above right here on your keyboard. So press function plus F11 and it will bring you to the full screen mode. And if you're using a trackpad, then you can also zoom in using your trackpad. You can just pinch in to zoom in like this and pinch out to zoom out. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.